hold it, and then you're gonna turn it around, and then hold it with your thumb, so that you're pinching it to go around. You understand? Because then if not, your bows are gonna be coming out half backwards, half facing correct. So you want them all to be the same. Just pinch them, and you're gonna create another loop, about the same, or measure, and then turn around, pinch again, and make another loop.
Wherever you want, it's your flower.
And then turn around.
Okay. Well, yeah, wherever you put
And fight with the ribbon
that's where
roll.
glitter's gonna go.
That's, yeah. And just continue, make it about the same size. If you want to do like some bigger, then you're gonna start from like backwards going forward. So if you want to do like bigger loops in the back, your first loops are going to be the biggest, and then you're going to slowly work smaller loops as you go.
You're almost done.
Okay. And to finish it off, you're just going to make a small one, like about 2 to 3 inches that you're going to use. Okay. And then once you have it, take your pipe cleaner, chenille stem, and then hold it. And a good thing to do is push it down like that. And then take your pipe cleaner, and as tight as you can, just twist it. And then when you're done with that, take both tails, match them up, cut, and I'm gonna give it that nice edging.
Where do you want
Hold
your
it.
flower to go?
And then you're gonna cut at an angle.
We're gonna put it on here.
Called
Where
the
do you want-
lamb's foot. Uh-huh. You can do the little part.
Oh, that's what it's called.
Mhm.
And when you're done, you just mess with everything. And then the great
Swap it
thing
out.
about this little guy, he's also a good way to hide your pipe cleaner. If done properly. I think I made it too big, but yeah. And
Yay,
just flip it out.
Laura!
Okay,
And
baby.
see how I made mine smaller? That one.
Where do you want your snowman? Right here. Where do you want it?
That.
Right there?
Play around with it until you like it.
And if you want to make it bigger, you just add more loops to it.